Step 1, worms.
Ew!
Okay, right there. Ew is one of the things you're not going to want to say in front of your father-in-law. It's right up there with icky and get it away. Now pick one up.
Really?
You're going to have to do it when you're fishing.
Okay.
What are you waiting for?
I don't know, for them to die of natural causes?
Just pick up a worm and put him on this hook.
Fine. There. I'm no expert, but I think the hook has to go through the worm. Fine. Sorry, Mr. Worm. Sherm the worm.